Welcome folks. Today we're diving into Ansible Playbooks, essentially the magic spellbook of automation. These playbooks help us define configurations and deployments using simple YAML instructions. Think of it as an IT chef's recipe for managing multiple systems effortlessly. Stick around because things are about to get interesting. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine pressing a switch that only lights up when needed. Conditions in Ansible do just that. They allow tasks to run only when required, avoiding extra work and boosting efficiency. By optimizing automation, we ensure playbooks aren't blindly running tasks like overeager interns. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Conditional statements in Ansible. They're like a traffic light. They control what runs and when. With simple logic, we can use when clauses to prevent playbooks from doing unnecessary work. It's automation with brains, ensuring tasks execute only when the right conditions are met. Alright, the when clause, our automation's decision maker. It checks conditions before running tasks, preventing unnecessary work. Think of it like deciding whether to bring an umbrella. It only makes sense when rain is expected. Let's see how this clever mechanism simplifies our playbooks. Using variables and conditions. That's like setting rules that change based on context. Pretty smart. If a playbook adapts to different environments dynamically, it makes automation feel almost intelligent. Kind of like deciding your meal based on your mood. Automation just got personal. Facts in Ansible are like detective clues. They help us make informed decisions. By using facts, playbooks can tailor automation to each system's reality. No more blindly executing tasks, only what's needed when it's needed. A little detective work makes all the difference. Register is like taking notes. Playbooks remember the results of tasks and use them for later decisions. Imagine checking if a pizza was delivered before paying. Same logic. This makes automation flexible and smart, avoiding wasteful execution. Mixing multiple conditions, like crafting the perfect strategy. It ensures tasks run only when necessary, combining various logic checks for better accuracy. It's like making sure all traffic lights are green before hitting the gas, smooth sailing ahead. Logical operators are like traffic signals for our code, helping us decide which way to go. And or not, they sound simple, but they shape our decisions. Imagine checking if it's both sunny and the weekend before heading out. Understanding precedence saves us from confusing results. Think of it like math, multiplication before addition. Get this right, and your conditions will work like a charm. Loops are great, but without conditionals, they'd be like a stuck record, endlessly playing the same tune. Using break and continue, we fine-tune them like a DJ shaping the playlist. Nesting adds complexity, like if statements within loops, making them respond dynamically. And efficiency. That's where we make our code run fast and smooth, without unnecessary repetitions. Imagine a VIP club where your role decides your entry. Conditionals do that in code. They check if you're an admin or a user before granting access. This logic is crucial in authentication systems, ensuring that only authorized users get in. Like a good bouncer, our code must be strict, no role, no entry. Debugging conditionals is like being a detective. Where did the logic go wrong? Print statements are your magnifying glass, letting you trace values. Debugging tools make this easier, highlighting errors. Edge cases. They're like the plot twists in a mystery novel, unexpected but important. Conditionals are like recipes. Too much complexity spoils the dish. Keep them simple and clear. Avoid nesting too deep. It's like digging a hole and forgetting the way out. Readability matters because the future you will thank you. And Boolean values. They're the spice that makes everything work just right. Mistakes in conditionals can be sneaky. Accidentally using equals instead of equals can break everything. Ignoring edge cases. That's like forgetting your umbrella when it's about to rain. Logical operators need care. Misusing them can twist the logic. And complexity. Keep it in check. Don't turn your code into a puzzle. Conditionals are the backbone of decision-making in code. When used well, they make our logic strong and clear. Good practices keep our code neat, while debugging saves us from those facepalm moments. Mastering them means writing efficient, error-free programs, because in coding, logic rules the world. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.